Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay. Get the money, gotta get my bag on. Okay. Triple back.
Good morning, class. Today we have a new classmate. Please welcome Angela Borja. Good morning, everyone. I'm Angela Borja. Nice to meet you.
Yup, this is scary. Oops, sorry.
Be careful. Be careful.
Hey, ugly face, give us your money.
I need it. No, I need it.
If you don't, we will hurt you. Hey, your face. Look at your face. Why did you even come to school?
Ignore them. Why did you do this to me? What did I do to you?
Nothing, because it's fun to do.
School should be a place where everyone feels safe and respected. I hope you understand your action have consequences.
We're sorry, Angela. We didn't think how you would feel. We're truly sorry. Forgive us. We will promise we will change our behavior.
I forgive the both of you, but the pain you caused won't disappear overnight. I hope you never make someone else feel the way I did.